Hey everybody, Tyson from Malcolm Subaru Prince George here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the accessory Subaru remote start. This one happens to be for the Forester, but you can get it in pretty much anything now. So first step, I always get asked this by customers. You need to make sure the vehicle's locked. So you click lock. I always do it 3 times. That's just my habit. You don't have to. Once should be enough. And on the key fob here, in tiny little writing, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it says press twice to start. So essentially what it's telling you to do is press it twice within 3 seconds to get it to start. So you go once, twice, it honks, it fires up, and you'll get a beep, and the light will flash intermittently on this remote, letting you know that it has started. Now, it'll run for between 12 and 14 minutes before it shuts off, and that's just a safety thing, and then you should be able to restart it one more time, and then you physically have to come out and let it do and physically start it so you can drive away with it. So it won't let you continuously do it back over and over and over again. So that's a brief overview of how to use the Subaru Genuine Accessory Remote Start. I'm Tyson from Malcolm Subaru Prince George. Talk to you soon.